What's up, YouTube family? So I got some cool news for you. The next big mod for Project RSX is here. Give me 1 second. This is the first thing. What is it? What could it be? Let's open it up and find out. Some really good packaging. We already know that it's an exhaust part. It says it on there. You see that? From Megan Racing. Let's open this baby up. First, let me get some scissors because this ain't gonna work out for me, maybe. Okay, I'm back and scissors in hand. So let me open. Hey, can you get this thing open? Okay, from the bottom here. So excited. So this is something that I ordered maybe a few weeks ago, and it just got here. And look at this. Woo-hoo! So if you can see that, look at that. Check that out. So this is the Megan Racing test pipe that I ordered from them. Oddly enough, I couldn't really find a bunch of companies with test pipes, so I had to order the one I could find. And this thing is beautiful. Let's get it out of the packaging. Look at that. Woo! Got little plugs for the O2 bungs here. Then this will be the part that connects to the header. And then this part goes to the rest of the exhaust. So you can see that it even has the Megan Racing on there. And then the wells are pretty nice. And then, of course, like I said, the part that connects to the header. And then the part that connects to the exhaust. So actually, it would go, got that right? No, it's gonna go like that. No, it's like this. Okay. I don't know. I'll figure it out once I put it on. So let's see what else is in packaging. Megan Racing stickers, along with some directions, and new donut gasket, and new exhaust gaskets, which I won't be using because actually ordered some different gaskets that I think are gonna work better. And then make sure nothing else is in there. Nope, that's in that. But look at this. Man, this is such a nice piece. And it's gonna make the RSX just so much more power. I'm hoping to get some like added response from this. If you can see in there. But there, yeah, there's nothing in there. So I'm guessing that's the resonator. And then this guy is the the test pipe. So yeah, it's a resonator in there. I don't know if you can see inside, but yeah. But this thing is beautiful. This is amazing. I can't wait to put this on. Awesome sauce. So I got something else as well. I also have another piece to the exhaust that I want to show you guys that I'm super excited about. This is gonna look glorious. The exhaust on the Acura is fine, but it's a stock system, and honestly, like, it has a lot of rust on it, so I definitely want to get rid of it for a new unit. Okay, and now for the second part of the exhaust. I just told you what it was. I'm so excited about it. Ooh, look at this. All right, let's open this baby up. Parts time, baby, for the RSX. Oh, I gotta show you. Look at the packaging here. Check this out. Dun, 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 dun. What could it be? It's some goodness. Woo! Look at this packaging. Oh my god. Look at this, right? Sorry guys, camera all over the place. Whoa, that is super official. Look at that. It's just the first part. Okay, I don't want to put that down outside, so let me make some room. Oops, put this baby over here real quick. Stand you guys back up. Okay. Right. One piece. Okay, and then we have this guy. It's muffler. Get in there. You see in there? Well, guess what? Whoa. That awesome sauce, hangers and everything. So over here. Then for the final bit. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is some special goodness, guys. Look at that. New exhaust for the Project RSX. Wow. I cannot wait to put this baby on. I don't even want to take off the plastic, but you can see it is official tissue. I'll take it off once I install it on the car. But for now, I just wanted to open it up and let you guys see. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's air. Room for air to flow. Look at this thing, is gorgeous, guys. I'm gonna put it back in the box so I can show you what else is in here. They really taped this to the side. I want you guys to see this too. Really taped this stuff to the side in here. Look like some gaskets and stuff is in there on the side, and all the hardware. That, along with some HKS stickers that will go on the Project RSX. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to put this stuff on the car, guys. I finally got the exhaust for the Project RSX. Now I just gotta wait a couple of weeks before I can put it on. It's raining outside now, of course, after I just washed the beast. I just gotta wait a couple of weeks before I can put it on, but hopefully it won't be too long. I gotta get a garage somewhere because I don't currently have a garage right now, so that I can install and it'll be easier. But I'm super excited. It's the HKS exhaust, the high power turbo exhaust, which is slightly bigger than the standard high power exhaust. But I'm so excited about this thing. I cannot wait to put it on. When I do install it, I'll make sure that I do before and after clips for you guys, as well as record the installation. I'm thinking that may be a little difficult because the exhaust that's on the RSX right now is welded on. Like, there's no separation in between the headers and then the catalytic converters, which, you know, there's usually bolts to take off the catalytic converter with leaving the exhaust on. But for some reason, the previous or prior owner, one of them, welded everything, welded the exhaust complete. I guess they probably had an exhaust leak and they couldn't figure it out, so they figured, well, I'll just weld everything, which kind of sucks because in order to get it off, I'm either going to have to take it off in one piece, which removing the whole exhaust, or I'll have to cut the exhaust up, which I didn't really want to do because I may put it back on. But you know what, full send mode, I'm probably just going to get a saw and just cut it off and then install the new beautiful HKS exhaust. Look at it with all the piping and everything. So when I tell y'all it's going down, it's about to go down. Combination of the Megan Racing exhaust pipe, or Megan Racing test pipe, along with the HKS exhaust is going to make air flow way more efficiently throughout the back of the car. Hopefully in turn making more power. Not that I need more power, but it's always nice to have more power. And then also enhancing the sound of the K20 engine, which is a beautiful sound already. So I can't wait to get it on. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys pictures and video, and then do some before and after revs and everything, so you can kind of get the feel of what it's going to sound like and maybe be there with me while I'm installing. So peace, guys. Thank you for watching.